Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Today, I'm breaking down the best cordless drills you absolutely need in 2025. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the DeWalt DCD 999B. This bad boy packs a brushless motor, 20-volt max power, and 3-speed settings. Perfect for heavy-duty projects and super efficient, it's a must-have for any serious DIYer. Next, the Makita XFD 14Z. This cordless drill offers a 14-volt power system and an all-metal gear housing for durability. Plus, it's lightweight, making it ideal for extended use without fatigue. Trust me, your arms will thank you. Now let's talk about the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2806-20. With its RedLink Plus intelligence system, this drill prevents overloading and overheating. The 18-volt power and impressive battery life make it a real powerhouse for all your projects. For those who love versatility, the Bosch PS3202 is a game-changer. Compact yet powerful, this 12-volt drill is perfect for tight spaces and precision work. Its brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance and efficiency. Don't forget the Ryobi P1819 One Plus kit. This kit comes with a drill, 2 batteries, and a charger. With its 18-volt system and 24-position clutch, it's perfect for tackling various tasks around the house. Plus, Ryobi's One Plus battery system is compatible with over 175 tools. Finally, we have the Craftsman CMCD 700C1. Affordable, reliable, and with a 20-volt max lithium battery, this drill is perfect for beginners. It's got everything you need to kickstart your DIY journey without breaking the bank. So there you have it, the best cordless drills you need in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these drills will elevate your DIY game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome DIY